See?
This is coffee maker. This is Starbucks replacer.
It's the Breville espresso machine.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
It's a Breville. It's $800, 900 and something.
Why did we decide to buy it? How many points did you have on Starbucks?
1,200 points.
Within how long? Less than like 6 months.
Yeah, we realized
We're spending too much on coffee
after
at
waiting 30
Starbucks.
minutes for a black coffee
Oh yeah.
that it's not worth it going to Starbucks. So let's just spend money on an expensive machine.
It's
and
worth it, babe.
Let's see how good it is.
It's worth it.
So this is what you get from Amazon. They box the outside box.
Let's see.
They
It's
box
this
the
one.
box. Okay, so this is what you can expect from Amazon. They always box the box. I'm gonna just slide it out. Let's see if this works. I haven't done this before yet on a video. But it does seem to slide out easily if you do get the outside box too.
Thanks, Amazon.
Alright, this is the
Barista Express Impress. We're about
Does
to
that say what it is?
be impressed.
You can get 3D interactive setup.
Oh, probably a mobile app. We're gonna scan it right here.
Okay. I
Nice.
guess so, yeah.
Everything is so modern nowadays. How exciting.
Very nice box. It's a very nice box.
So, the reason we got this one is because it has that temper, right?
No,
That's why you got it, no?
I got it because you wanted it.
Oh. What? There were so many versions of it. Okay,
And that's
let's
how it's
unpack.
done, boys.
Thanks, baby.
Alright. This is where the coffee comes out of. Is this separate? Oh yeah. This, you can tighten this, it feels like. Yeah, it gets tighter, looser. I'm not gonna fuck with it.
Yeah, let's just unbox it now.
Okay.
Because then we're going to mess it up.
We got a razor. How about we put all these boxes on the side?
Okay.
Or else we're gonna have shit everywhere. Stuff everywhere.
Yeah, we have guests coming over, so this has to be a quick unboxing.
Okay.
We're just too excited to wait. I think you have to like flip it again. Yeah. So this is how it's done, guys.
Again with the flipping.
And the noises. How exciting! So once we have this set up, we'll make a video, a tutorial on how to use it.
How to make your first Breville coffee.
Breville.
Breville?
Breville. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I think I'm doing it right though. Nice.
So these are all the sides we got. Not that.
El ajo para el ojo malo. For whoever's watching. I'm just kidding.
Oh wow, that looks nice. Look at that grinder.
Nice. Ooh.
Alright, after seeing that grinder,
You're excited?
I'm convinced this was worth the money.
Well, this setup here is supposed to like press your.
Oh, it presses it for you?
Yeah, that's why. Because I guess it
Oh,
varies.
this is what you...
So it has this temp setting that the other one didn't have.
Oh, wow.
That's why this one was more.
Oh.
Yeah.
Consistency.
Did you not read it?
Consistency, no.
I thought that's why you picked this one.
No, I just saw it in the review. I was like, it looks good.
This one's a better one.
Yeah.
We're so excited. So this is it. We'll put another video once we start using it.